Silk, a beautiful natural fiber textile material known to come from the Bombyx mori silkworms and one of the highly sought natural fibers in the world, has found a niche in the Philippine textiles. Sericulture, or the production of silk from the growing of silkworms, made its way to the management of DOST-PTRI more than 40 years ago. Starting from La Trinidad, Benguet, and down to Villanueva, Misamis Oriental. From the pilot experimental stations to the present fully equipped Silk Research and Innovation Center, the Institute has significantly contributed to the Philippine silkworm germplasm towards the branding of the Philippine silk. Silk is an essential fiber textile material mostly required by hand-weaving communities in Visayas and Mindanao. Its local demand of 10 tons a year is insufficiently supplied. The Philippine Textile Research Institute of the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST-PTRI, therefore crafted and facilitated ways to revitalize the silk industry through the creation of the Philippine Silkroad program through science and technology, aimed to provide support for technical innovations. The program ultimately seeks to contribute in addressing the local supply-demand gap for silk yarns. In this quest, strategic areas in the Cordillera Administrative Region, or CAR, in Western Visayas, and in Northern Mindanao received most of the efforts for silk development and innovations. Serving as backbone to silk development is DOST-PTRI's expertise on silkworm germplasm and delivery of readily available disease-free silkworm hybrids. The program's genomic research activities, in partnership with the Philippine Genome Center of the University of the Philippines, supports to capacitate the Institute the study of the Philippine silkworm strains on the DNA level. It promises a new approach of better and shorter selection for the development of new breeds that will be suitable to local conditions. DOST-PTRI leads in silk for textile innovation with a complete silk reeling, silk throwing, and silk spinning facilities. These establishments in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao facilitate the processing and creation of quality silk textiles. More importantly, they are interventions of empowering the local community to be part of what would become a wider network of small-scale hubs of silk processing. Upon their optimum use, the current facilities are able to conservatively satisfy at least 33% annual raw silk requirement of the country. Collaborations with and among silk stakeholders, including local government offices and national agencies, armed the program in reaching the communities where sericulture activity is received as a lucrative livelihood opportunity. Through this, sericulture technologies reached more rural communities in the provinces of Kalinga Apayao, Ifugao, Benguet, Aklan, Misamis Oriental, and Bukidnon. These work partnerships have provided better access of funding assistance for rearing structures and materials, technology support through training, extension services, silk product packaging and design, branding, and enterprising. Partnerships with the academe flourished effectively and will continually be sought in areas proximate to silk production hubs. Joint research and development undertakings, co-management to cocoon processing facility, and extension services are some of the responsibilities shared with these collaborations. Production development completes the silk value chain. DOST-PTRI leads in the knowledge transfer of silk product creation and finishing to various weaving communities in many parts of the country. The lone handloom silk weaving community in Mindanao is grateful for PTRI's training, capability, and competency build. Along with the support of other government agencies, the group sustained and economically uplifted the weavers' lives for nearly 20 years now. While hand looms serve best for the silk fabric production, weaving software that enables designs to come through from the computer to the loom is available in PTRI to enhance the weaver's competence to create more and intricate designs. The Philippine Silkroad program, through science and technology, has accomplished more in the last 3 years of boosting knowledge and competencies, upgrading technical facility, enhancing silk productivity, through the increase of silk stakeholder engagements and collaborations, and developing sustainable silk products and processes towards bio-based economy. Improved lives of every cocoon producers in rural communities, economic boost from the operation of a community-based silk processing facility, strong collaborations and partnerships with stakeholders, and the production of eco-conscious silk fabrics are the inspirations that drive the forward-looking of the Philippine Silkroad to the next many years ahead. The Philippine Silk, or Seda Pilipinas, is textile empowering lives anew.